Activity codes allow the planner to assign codes that can be used for several purposes, such as 1. Filtering a large number of activities by discipline-wise, phase-wise, area-wise, etc. 2. Sorting of activities, discipline-wise, phase-wise, area-wise, etc. 3. Grouping of activities, sharing the same activity code. In addition, it can be used in reporting activity status and relevant information, depending on the planner's custom or project requirements. Select Enterprise. Click Activity Codes to open the Activity Code form. Click on the Project Radio button at the top of the form. Select to open the Activity Code Definitions Modify button project form. Select Add to create a new code. Put name of the code in the Activity Code name box as Asset. Click on to close the form. Click Add to create the activity code values and descriptions. Click on Close to close the form. Add the column Asset. Assign the activity code against each activity. Press right-click on mouse and click Group and Sort and group by the activity code. Asset, Sort by Activity ID. The milestones are now at the top of the screen. Display the Project Baseline bars and Project Baseline milestones and move them both to the bottom of the form to ensure the relationships would be displayed on the current schedule bars.